So I'll put the alligator clips on. We'll clamp onto the 2 spade connectors. If I can get onto them. I can't see. Untangle these first. Is this metallic? Yes. Oh, and a nice little upgraded, I don't know what you call this, strap holder thingy. It's a big magnet surrounded by rubberized plastic. So it has a hook on it too. Alright, so I think I am connected, and I need to switch the function over to continuity with the alarm. Alright. So when it beeps, that means we have connectivity going from the starter, well, from the ignition to the starter. So that's park. That's reverse. It should have come off. Yeah, that's reverse. That's neutral. Oh, what am I saying? So park, reverse, neutral. Wait a minute. What's going on here? Alright, that's drive. We should have no beeping. Neutral beep, and it should beep in park, but not reverse. Okay, so that's reverse. Neutral drive, neutral drive, neutral, reverse, no beep. It should beep in park. Park. Did it lock? Yeah, it's locked. So we're kind of hitting the AC register here. It kind of keeps us from going all the way into park, at least easily. Okay, so expected behavior, it's beeping because it's in park. That means we've got continuity. See, coming out of park into reverse should not beep. That's reverse. Why is it beeping in reverse? Are we still kind of partially in park? Park, reverse, neutral, drive, neutral, drive, neutral, drive, neutral, reverse. Oh, well, this is weird. So this is expected. We're not really fully out of park yet, I think is the problem. That's reverse. Alright, so that's expected. Drop into neutral. That's expected. Drive. Expected. Neutral. Reverse. Drive. Neutral. Reverse. Park. See, park has a lot of travel in it, which is probably normal. I don't know why it's engaging or locking. See, that's locking. So there's something up with the shifter. So it's working as it should work. Right now I'm in drive. Neutral. Beep means we could turn the key and it'll start. No beep means turn the key and it will not start. So that's drive. Neutral. Turn the key and it should start. That's reverse. Turn the key, it should not start. Back into neutral. Back into drive. Neutral. Reverse. And park. So there's something between coming out of park. There's a lock. There's a detent. I'm not sure why it's there. So that's reverse. Neutral, drive. So we don't have a problem. There's just something up with the shifter. I don't know why. It has a detent kind of coming out of park before you hit reverse. Nothing I can do about that. It just seems to be the way it works for some reason. Anyway, at least we know what the issue is. That outside of my control. So now I get to put this back on, and maybe we bleed the brakes again. Otherwise, once the glue dries, I'll put that back on and put this back on, and I'm done inside.